Welcome to my channel Learn by Watching. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம joyful learningல phase 1 ஓட first sound பார்க்க போறோம். Let us learn the first sound. First sound நம்ம எப்படி கத்துக்க போறோம்னா ஒரு story வழியா இல்லனா rhymes வழியா. Let's sing the song now. Clear? Sing along with me and this is the action you have to do. So ஒரு snake move ஆகக்கூடிய ஆக்ஷனை நீங்கள் இந்த ரைம்ஸில் வரும்போது கொடுக்கணும். ரெடி? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Good. Follow with me. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. You have to say the sound. Good. Let us learn the letter formation now. See the stroke, how they are writing. This is the way you have to write. Now write along with me. Good. Keep trying. The next one, you are going to identify the sound in the following words. Clear? Observe it clearly. Listen to the word and hear the sound. Sun. Yes. Pot. L. Beetle sound கேக்கல. Snake sound கேக்குது. Nest sound வருது. Okay, next look at the picture. Ant. No, you couldn't hear the sound. Next one. Sock. Right. The next one. Sun. Good. Right. The next word. Snail. So you could hear the sound there. Okay, keep remembering the sound. So what is the sound? கையை நல்லா வேவ் பண்ணி ஸ்னேக் மாதிரி வேவ் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next part. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.